Hi, my name is Nandakishore. I am from CSIT branch. Today, my topic is tips for improving your life skills. Life skills. Life skills are abilities for adaptive and positive behavior that enable individuals to deal effectively with the demands and challenges of every day in life. Life skills are abilities that facilitates the physical, mental, and emotional well-being of an individual. What are the life skills? Decision making, creative thinking, critical thinking, problem solving, negotiation skills, interpersonal, relational, self awareness, empathy, effective communication. Framework of life skills for AEP: thinking skills, social skills, negotiation skills. First one, thinking skills: self awareness, problem solving, critical thinking, planning and goal setting. Social skills: interpersonal relationships, communicating effectively, cooperation and teamwork, empathy building. Negotiation skills: managing feelings, restricting peers, family pressures. Self-awareness. Self-awareness includes our recognition of ourselves, of our character, of our strengths and weaknesses, desires and dislikes. Developing self-awareness can help us to recognize when we are stretched or feel under pressure. It is also often a prerequisite to effective communication and interpersonal relationships, as well as for developing empathy for others. What is decision making? Ability to assess available options to forecast the consequence of different decisions, action slash non-actions. Non-decision is also a decision. Decision making: major life decisions, goals, develop, prioritize, attain, choice of our lifestyle, study and food habits, hobbies, coping up with stress, alcohol, drugs, STD, AIDS, career, choice of profession, further study. Critical thinking. Critical thinking is the ability to analyze information and experiences in an objective manner. Critical thinking can contribute to healthy by helping us to recognize and assess the factors that influences attitudes and behavior such as values, per pressure and the media. Criti- Creative thinking. Creative thinking contributes to both decision making and problem solving by enabling us to explore the available alternatives and various consequences of our actions and or non-action. Problem solving. Problem solving enables us to deal constructively with problems in our lives. Significant problems that are left resolved can cause mental stress and give rise to accompanying physical strain. Interpersonal relationship skills. Interpersonal relationship skills help us to relate in positive way with the people we interact with. This may mean being able to make and keep friendly relationships, which can be of great importance to our mental and social well-being. It may mean keeping good relationships with family members, which are an important source of social support. It may also mean being able to end relationships constructively. Empathy. Empathy is the ability to imagine what life is like for another person, even in a situation that we may not be familiar with. Empathy can help us to understand and accept others who may be very different from ourselves, which can improve social interaction, for example, in situations of genetic or cultural diversity. Effective communication. Effective communication means that we are able to express ourselves both verbally and non-verbally in ways that are appropriate to our cultures and situations. This means being able to express opinions and desires, but also needs and fears, and it may mean being able to ask for advice and help in a time of need. Managing feelings and emotions. Managing feelings and emotions includes skills for increasing internal locus of control for managing emotions, anger, and stress. This may mean that we take action to reduce the sources of stress, for example, by making changes to our physical environment or lifestyle, or it may mean learning how to relax so that tensions created by unavoidable stress do not give rise to health problems. Behavior change through life skills. Remove ignorance, generates concerns, creates knowledge, motivation, readiness to change, willingness to change, acceptance, includes goods, lifestyles. Take pleasure and pride in saying no when one wants to say no. Ways to say no: polite refusal, give reason, repeat refusal, walk away, ignore the person, avoid the situation, find others support, talk about your own feelings. Thank you for giving this opportunity.